Ready to unlock barista quality coffee from the comfort of your own home with your Nescafe Dolce Gusto? Let's dive in. First, choose your adventure. The Dolce Gusto system offers a wide array of pods, from intense espressos to creamy lattes. Select the pod that matches your craving for the perfect cup. Now, ensure your Dolce Gusto is ready. Fill the water tank with fresh, filtered water to the maximum level. This ensures you have enough water for your chosen beverage and consistent brewing. Carefully insert your chosen coffee pod into the pod holder. Make sure it clicks securely into place to prevent any leaks or mishaps during brewing. Refer to the pod's packaging to determine the recommended water level. Adjust the machine's lever to match that level. This ensures the ideal water pressure and extraction for your coffee. Place your favorite mug under the dispenser and initiate the brewing process. The machine will automatically stop when the correct amount of coffee has been dispensed. And there you have it, a perfectly brewed cup of coffee, courtesy of your Nescafe Dolce Gusto. Experiment with different pods and water levels to find your perfect cup. Enjoy.